CSX challenge for each. Part 1, create function for each which takes an array and a callback and runs the callback on each element of the array. For each does not return anything. Please do not use the native for each or map method. Part 2. Now let's build the map from the previous challenge. This, instead of using a for loop, you are going to use the for each we just created. Alright, so I'm gonna do the part 1 first. We are going to declare a function for each, which take a array and callback parameter. For a function for each, it's gonna take a array and callback. So, and it runs the callback on each element of the array. It does not return anything. So it's just going to simply run the for loop to do the callback function on each element of the array. So simply, I'm just going to use a for of loop initialized by setting the variable, just do element of array. And simply just going to do the callback function for each element. Alright, this does not return anything, so this should be it. And we are going to build a map from the previous challenge, this time using a for loop. Alright, so declare a function again, function map, which will so it looks like a map. So line 15 we are invoking, console-logging the invocation of map with looks like an array, and this is a ES6 notation with a fat arrow. So it looks like we are declaring a callback function as well. So declare a function map which will take array and also callback. Alright, so I'm going to do the function map, and it's going to take an array, callback, and it should log array filled with 1, 2, 3. So what I can do is I can set up on an empty array, and I'm going to just give it a name it as a result and give it a value of empty array. And we need to use a map. So we are invoking a map. Invoke map. I mean, not the map. The for each function, which will take the array and another callback function. So we are invoking the for each, and we are going to take an array, and the callback function here, it should be something like this. So we can do oh no, so for each, if you look at the function definition of a for each, we are simply just running the callback on each element of the array. We are not pushing the return value to the empty array. So what we need to do is we need to create a separate function which will take a element. I'm just going to define as element, and inside this function I am going to push the okay, so let me write it down. This callback function will push the return value from the callback into the array. Alright, so this callback function, the specific callback function will push the return value from the callback. So callback and the element. And lastly, return the result. You could do something like this, or you could do each array, just like this one. So you can do element. Alright, let me try, let me comment this out, run it. Alright, works. Do I need parentheses here? Let me just make sure I don't. And instead of this, I can use this. Alright, works either way. Alright.